Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI P10 Lite, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see, here we've got the options which are currently inactive, so we cannot really change them manually. It is because we are using automatic options, so the automatic date time and the time zone. So let's start with turning off both of those options. So right now we can freely tap on date, and just by swiping, change the date, so set the date we want to use, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just tap on it, and by swiping, pick the one you'd like to set, tap on OK. Let's change the time zone also, just tap on it, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available time zones from which we can choose. So basically find yours and tap on it. So in my case, let's say Canada. And of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It's quite normal. Here you can decide what kind of clock format you want to use. Currently we've got the 24-hour format. Of course we can set 12-hour one just by turning off this option. It will be immediately applied. Here you can also decide whether you want to use dual clocks, which simply means that you will have one clock with hour from the place of your usual residence, and the second from any other place all around the world. So it's up to you just to use the switcher to either turn it off or on. And basically this is the whole manual customization of date and time. You can always go back to all previous settings just by using those switchers almost at the top to use automatic date, time and the time zone. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.